Hello friends, welcome to my channel Movie Analysis and Review. In today's video, I am going to give you the list of 4 movies which you should watch if you really want to watch nice movies with good story and element. So without further delay, let's start the video. In number 4, I have 2013 released movie named Memories, which was directed by Jitu Joseph. You already know the Jitu Joseph, who also directed the movie like Drishyam 1 and Drishyam 2. This is a Malayalam crime thriller movie. You can see Prithvi Raj playing the role of investigation police officer as a lead role. You can see this movie on website. You have to watch this movie with subtitles. You cannot watch this movie in Hindi because the Hindi dubbing of this movie has not come yet. Telling about the movie, in this movie you can see memories are developed for accurate logic and intelligence. No bottom punch dialogues, no old cinemas noises in front of the camera. Same Sam Alex played by the Prithviraj and the audience are traveling with him. The camera is sleeping with the long and aerial shots. Prithviraj has been able to transform the role of a rough and tough police officer, of brother and a broken son. Story of the first of the movie is completely on family drama and could make you little bored, but just before the interval portion the movie become a super thriller. Overall this movie is a extraordinary and must watch movie. It engages you by the last moment. It does not let you miss a second as well. In number 3, I have 2013 released Kannada movie named Avni Sriman Narayana. This movie was directed by Sachin Ravi, which was his first directed movie. And in his first directed movie only, he has done a great job. This film features Roxy Shetty and Sanvi Srivastava in lead role. This movie is action adventure movie, and Roxy Shetty played the role of cop named Sriman Narayana in this movie, and he has given the great performance. This movie also makes you laugh in some of the scenes, not by the overacting which we can see in some of the South movies nowadays, but with the help of a nice writing and element of the movie. Telling a little bit about the movie, the story starts with the Rama, the leader of the Abhiraj, killing a group of musicians and actors for allegedly looting a missing treasure in Amravati, that is Karnataka. And after 15 years, that treasure is still missing. It sounds interesting, doesn't it? So, if you are a fan of adventure and treasure hunt movies, you should definitely watch this movie. And by the way, the trailer of this movie is already released in Hindi, but I don't know, because of the storm problems, the movie has not come in Hindi. So you have to watch this movie with the help of subtitles. Moving to the list, I have Mandela in number 2. This was a Tamil movie which was released in 2021. This was a comedy and political satire movie. After watching this movie, I can say that screenplay and writing of this movie was very good. And even all the actors of the movie has done the great job. You can see Yogi Babu, to whom you have seen in many of the South Indian movies as a supporting actor, playing the role of Mandela in the lead role in this movie. And he has given the great performance of his career. After watching this movie, you can also say that. The coming timing of this movie was very good, and also the songs are, which was written with great humor and satire. Talking about the movie, there is a small village where two political parties compete in the local election and one ready to win at any cost. And in a twist of tale, the single deciding vote comes down to the small time barber that is played by Yogi Babu. Now, going to the number 1, I have a movie, Radhe. Oh, sorry. In number 1, I have a movie, Lakshmi Bomb. Okay, no more fun, and this time for sure. In number 1, I have the movie named Jallikattu. This was a Malayalam crime action movie which was released in 2019. This movie was premiered on September 2019 at the 2019 Toronto International Film Festival and received widespread critical acclaim. This movie was directed by Lijo Jose Pellizzeri, and I have no words to tell that how excellent he has done his job. I have not watched this type of movie in recent years. The element and the meaning that was in this movie was too good. You have to watch this movie very carefully to understand the deep meaning of this movie. Talking about the movie, Colin Barkley, a butcher, faces a lot of trouble when a buffalo he has supposed to slaughter goes astray and causes a problem in a remote village. Other than that, it's very difficult to tell anything about this movie because there is nothing to tell. You just have to go and watch the movie to see all the element of the movie. That's the video, guys. What do you think about my list? If you have any suggestion for me, let me know from the comment box below.